Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to zoom in, zoom out of your Figma file or move around inside your Figma file. It's quite simple and easy. Before that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Let's get right into the video. So first, open your Figma. My Figma is in my browser. So as of now, I'll just show you from here. So for example, you have something in here. This is your frame. You did whatever you want from this. Now you want to add a different frame in a different side or add a different picture. How are you going to zoom out? So you can't just do that. You can't just scroll. If you scroll, it will go up or down. So to zoom out and zoom out, you have to hold on control, left control, and then scroll back. This will zoom out. Scroll, front. This will zoom in. And if you want to move towards the right to place something, hold on to your shift and scroll, back. It'll go towards the right. Scroll front, it'll go towards the left. Really that simple. Not a big deal. See, that's it. Then you want to go here. That's it. That's it. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.